Installation and operation of 3-target pulse magnetron coating instrument. Vacuum pump oil filling. Unscrew the cap. Add the oil provided. Observe the oil level line. This is the minimum amount of oil. This is the maximum amount of oil. Generally, just add the highest amount of oil. After adding oil, tighten the cap. Connect the vacuum pump bellows. Tighten the clamp. Unscrew the water injection port of the water cooler. Add appropriate amount of water to the water injection port. Watch the water level. Green is medium water level. Yellow means it's full. Generally added to the junction of green and yellow. After adding water, tighten the lid. This is the water outlet of the water cooler. This is the water inlet of the water cooler. The water outlet of the water cooler is connected to the water inlet of the equipment. The water inlet of the water cooler is connected to the water outlet of the equipment. Connect air compressor air pipe. Turn on the air compressor switch. Open air compressor valve. This is the argon gas connection port. This is the nitrogen connection. Now we are connecting to argon gas. After the power cord is connected, turn on the main power switch. Turn on the vacuum pump. Turn on the water cooler power. Power on the device. Vacuum gauge power supply. Molecular pump power supply. DC power supply. Turn on the RF power E. RF power supply R. Turn on the pulse power supply. Click Ignore. Click to enter the operation interface. Unscrew the buckle. Open cavity. Installing the sample. Next, start installing the target material. Unscrew the target cover. Remove the cover. Then use a screwdriver to unscrew the surrounding screws. Remove the target. Put the required target material into the clamp. Then align the screw holes. Tighten the screws in sequence. Then install the target cover. Just tighten it. Note that there is a gap of about a half between the outer cover and the target. Close the cavity. Tighten the buckle. Click to get vacuum. Click OK. Observe the vacuum value changes. When the vacuum value is below 20%, click to open the molecular pump. The molecular pump frequency will drop from 400 to 0. Then it will rise from 0 to 400 and then run stably. When the vacuum reaches the appropriate value, click to enter cleaning mode. Click OK. Click to set traffic parameters, for example, 200. Click back. Now we are introducing argon gas for cleaning. Clean for about 10 分钟 use. Determine the cleaning frequency according to the process. After cleaning, click flow meter. Enter link to turn off the flow meter. Click back. Click to get vacuum. Wait until the vacuum value drops below 20%. Shut-off valves and flapper valves open automatically. Click to set a target. Click Settings. Click Select. For example, copper. Click Select. Click Apply. Click Back. Click Back. Click to set the sample state speed. For example, 20. Click Forward. Click Back. If heating is required, click Sample Stage Heating. Click to set the target temperature. For example, 200. Click to start heating. Click Back. Now ready to coat, click Set Flow. For example, 200. Open the DC power supply and RF power supply e-baffles. Click to set DC power supply parameters. Take power mode as an example. For example, 50. Then set the RF power parameters. For example, the power is 100. Click Back. Then turn on the DC and RF power to start coating. The coating process can be observed through the observation window. Now we are ready to use pulse power coating. This is the output line of the pulse power supply. Now we're going to put it into this position. To ensure safety, it is recommended to turn off the power first. First, remove the RF power output line. Install the pulse power card. Tighten the screws. The current position is target sun. Then turn on the pulse power. Click to open the corresponding baffle. After the pulse power supply is turned on, default voltage 100 伏. The general setting is 400 到500 volts. Take 500 volts as an example. Press and hold this plus button to set the voltage. After 500 volts, click Start to start coating. You will see output voltage and output current. The coating process can be observed through the observation window. After coating is completed, click the flow meter. Enter link to turn off the flow meter. Click to return. Click to pick up samples. Click OK. When the vacuum value reaches 10,000 pa of atmospheric pressure, unscrew the buckle. Open cavity. Remove the sample. The experiment is completed.